amount, apologize for, appreciate, approve of, autobiography, be used to, blank, boundary, compassionate, congratulate on, decide against, deny, develop, enclose, encourage, feel like, flexible, forgive for, furious, give up, grateful,
thankful,
hero, improve, indulge in, keep on, lifelong,
look forward to,
mad, motto, object to, overprotective, passion, point, prevent from, protective, provide, pushy, put up with, row, rude, scream, self-education, senior citizen, set limits, shelter, strict, suggest, tackle, thank for, think of, trust, volunteer, warn against,